Manufacturing Day to the month of October, manufacturers across America will host public events and showcase the exciting careers available in manufacturing. Reach out, find out, and get in on it.
A great life is yours for the making in manufacturing. From hands-on to high-tech, tomorrow's jobs are here today.
I'm a creative designer.
I'm responsible for wiring up trailers.
I'm a graphics production manager.
I weld and I build.
I'm a lead man.
I'm the operations manager.
I do trim work. I am a lead mechanic.
I like to be able to create things.
I am the lead of the wood shop.
I'm a welder fabricator.
We build some really cool stuff here.
Because you get to actually make things come to life that have never been made before.
What's really cool about manufacturing is every day is a different day.
It's not the same old, same old.
It's not the same thing every day.
I love the variety.
We are always changing, evolving, making bigger, making it better, making it faster.
There's always opportunities
I get to problem solve, use my analytical skills.
The old school techniques, but the latest cutting edge technology.
We can make an impact on the world.
It's a source of pride for me because I know that I put some work into that.
It's nice to look at stuff and be able to say, I had a part of that.
I get to actually build my life.
You can get right in there, get right into work, and start your career.
They'll give you the training you need to start manufacturing your future.
There's opportunities for everyone.
You start early, we let out really early, so you still have a full day when you get off work.
A career in manufacturing works well for my family life.
I get a great, stable income and a job that's always needed.
And you could really make some pretty good money. If you stick your nose to it, you can make some money.
My life is in a great position right now.
It's a real busy industry. It definitely provides a good life.
I love what I do. I personally could not ask for a better group of co-workers.
I make things people use every day.
I make things the world needs.
It's time for you to make it.
It's time for you to make it.
A great life is yours for the making.
Tell people you made it.
You can make a great living.
It's time for you to make it.
Learn, grow, and build a great life for yourself.
So make manufacturing your future and tell people you made it.
We make things that the world needs. Nah, they don't believe it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe.